Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. I'd like to show you how you can take a link from a third-party site and actually iframe it into your KW agent or KW team site. Third party just means a site other than your KW site. Like for instance, right here on your screen, we have our scottleroymarketing.com site, and this is one of the pages that's on that third party site. It's where we can do agent concierge, where we create free marketing pieces for agents. And we want to add this as a custom page onto our KW site. So to do that, let's go ahead and go into Command. And on the bottom left-hand corner, click Websites. Click Manage Websites. And then go into Expert Mode in the top right-hand corner. From here, we will want to go ahead and choose Custom Page because we want to add that iframe link as a custom page onto this site. And once you're here, go ahead and name your page. So we'll name it Agent Concierge. Coming on down, you can leave the header over here if you want. We're actually going to choose none. Makes it a little bit cleaner when you're iframing in a page. There we go. And then down here at the bottom left, you'll want to choose the module. So in order to do that, you will click Add Module, Additional Modules, iframe Embed. Now notice we're still here working on our custom page. It did add the module, but the line is blank. It wants us to choose which particular iframe module that we want to add to this page. So go ahead and click on the blank line right here. And you can choose one that's already existing, but we're going to choose Create New at the very top. Notice the bar at the top is now blue. It's letting you know that you're actually creating that iframe module that we will then add to our custom page. So right here, we'll have an internal name. So Agent Concierge iframe link. And then we will want to add the URL right here. So this is where you go and get it. You would go to that third-party site, the website. Go ahead and click into the website address bar at the top. Right-click and copy that link. Go back to your custom page iframe module where you're building it, and then go ahead and paste that URL right into the URL line. You'll see a preview come up on the left and the right, and if you scroll down to the bottom, you will have some height and width options. For height, 1,000 will do, usually pretty good. 1,200, 1,500 are also really great. You can see how that's elongating our view here on the left-hand side so we can see more of that page, which is great. And the width is 100%. It's usually best to leave it at that. So you can see the eyeball over here working a little bit. So it's still thinking and trying to process. It may take a little longer than normal. There it goes. And so now you can see the full preview on the right-hand side. If it's not showing enough of the page, you can elongate it even more. But when you're ready, go ahead and click Publish in the top right-hand corner. This is publishing your iframe module. Okay, and you should have this bar showing right here that now that module is published. We just created it. So we can click back to go to our custom page, and right here for the iframe module, click on the blank line again. And now we can choose this Agent Concierge module that we just created right here. Once you click that, it may take it a moment, but you'll start to see it update on the right-hand side. And just for good measure, we always like to add the Contact Me form onto each custom page. That way, any new lead or consumer has the option to reach out to you directly. So we're going to go ahead and add module again. Choose additional modules, form, and from the blank line, just choose the default contact form. And once you're done, click Publish in the top right-hand corner. This will publish your page Now you'll see saved over here on the left, and the page should be fully published. We're going to do it one more time because the publish should go away. So let's click publish. All right. After you click publish, it should give you the option. It should confirm for you that this has been published and now has a URL. So you can click the URL and it should bring you to the site, your KW agent site with this particular iframe site embedded into it. So you can see how you can navigate to your KW agent site. Your top menu is still here to be able to go through any of those other pages. But here you can also see this particular page we brought over from a third-party site. That's how you iframe into your KW agent site. This is great to use for other pages like YouTube, Zillow, Calendly, TidyCal, all kinds of sites that you can actually embed onto your KW agent site. So if you have any questions about this or run into any issues or have any questions about your KW platforms in general, we'll be happy to help. You can reach out to us via email, and that email is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.